Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply install Blender in your computer device in a very simple way. Before that, you have to know how you can simply download it. For that, what you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, and then you have to come over into the search option, and here you have to search for Blender. And then if you click on Blender, and then you're going to get the Blender website. So if you click on that, and from here you're going to click on the download Blender 5.1. So if you click on that, it will going to give you the version, which version you wants to install. So I will going to go for the Windows. It's automatically detect my Windows operating system. So click on the download Blender and it will going to start the downloading. If you want to donate them, you can simply do that. But right now I'm going to show you how you can simply download it. So as you can see, the Blender has been downloaded. Now if you click on the folder icon, and here is your Blender. So if you click on it 2 times to install, it will going to preparing to install, and I'm going to minimize all the background tab. And now I'm going to click on the next. And if you want to change the file directory, if you can do that by simply click on the change. But right now I don't want to do that. I just want to click on next. And then if you just simply click on install, and the installation will be begin. And there will be a permission. You just have to click on yes. And now you can simply see it's completed the Blender setup wizard. So now if you click on finish, it will going to open the Blender in your computer device. Here it is, the Blender. So if I just open it, and you can simply see that the Blender is rightly opened. Here it is, you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Blender in your computer device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.